On 15th of August 1989, almost 3 decades ago, the Doordarshan channel popularized a song, Baje Sargam Har Taraf Se. It was an attempt to deliver and propagate the message of unity in diversity through this song composed in the Desh Raag. We wish to commence the Ek Desh Ek Raag segment to the tunes of this song, Baje Sargam Har Taraf Se, which is being sung by our very own Rohini Prabhunandan of 1977 10th Standard Batch. Also, as we listen to the melodious voice, we bring forth an introduction of all the Desh Rag performers of today.
Ni sa re ma pa ni dha pa pa da ma ga re ma pa ni sa pa ni sa re ma ga re ga ni sa pa ni sa re ni dha pa pa da ma ga re ga ni sa बजे सरगम हर तरफ से गूंज बनकर देश राग बजे सरगम हर तरफ से गूंज बनकर देश राग